In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed audio in Google Sites. If you want background music, a podcast clip, or a short soundbite on your site, this quick walkthrough will show you how to place it exactly where you need it and make sure it plays smoothly. Start by opening your site in Google Sites. Head to sites.google.com, sign in, and open the site you're working on. If you manage multiple sites, double check you're in the right one and that you're in edit mode so you can make changes. Next, go to the page where you want the audio to appear. Use the Pages panel to select the correct page or navigate there from your site's menu. Think about the placement. Do you want the audio near a headline, inside a section of text, or as a standalone element? Leaving a bit of space around the player can help it look clean and easy to find. Now, click Insert, then choose Embed. In the Embed window, select By URL if your audio lives online. This is perfect for links you've grabbed from platforms like YouTube. If your audio is a file on your computer, choose Upload instead. Uploading works best for standard audio formats and small files. Larger files may take time and can impact loading, so keep performance in mind. If you're using a link, paste the audio file URL from YouTube into the URL field. Make sure you copy the shareable link directly from the YouTube address bar or the share button so it's clean and accessible. After you paste the URL, Google Sites will generate a preview. This is your chance to confirm you've got the correct track or clip. If you see the preview appear, you're good to go. Place the embedded player on your page and position it where it makes the most sense visually. You can drag the corners to adjust its size so it fits your layout without overwhelming other content. A few quick tips to avoid playback issues. Use links that are public or at least viewable by anyone with the link, and avoid unnecessary parameters in the URL if you want a simple default start. Keep your page layout uncluttered around the player so visitors can easily find and tap play. That's all there is to it. You opened your site, navigated to the right page, used Insert and Embed to add the audio, and pasted a YouTube URL to generate a player. With these steps, your Google site now includes an audio element that's easy for visitors to play and enjoy.